Hi, this is Ron Van Serksen with AAM Fee Only Financial Planning and Investments, and this is the AAM Weekly Market Week for the week ended July 1, 2022. Stocks were lower for the 11th week out of the last 13 as recession worries dominated the news, even though there was mixed market data and interest rates were lower during the week. On Monday, the S&P was down about 12 points on moderate volume, with durable goods orders rising and beating expectations, as well as pending home sales. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 was lower by 79 points as consumer confidence fell and missed. FHFA home prices rose and Schiller home prices rose and beat expectations. On Wednesday, the S&P was down just a little bit at 3 points as first quarter gross domestic product, or GDP, the final estimate fell 1.6%, which was a little more than expected, and mortgage applications rose. On Thursday, the S&P lost another 33 points as jobless claims fell and beat expectations. Continuing claims were lower. Midwest manufacturing fell and missed. PCE prices rose, but a little less than expected. Personal income rose and matched expectations, while personal spending fell and missed estimates. And on Friday, to wrap up the week, the S&P rose 40 points on moderate volume, with construction spending and ISM manufacturing data both falling and missing estimates. Overall, it was another tough week for stocks. I think we're getting close to the bottom. It feels like we're in a state of volatility right now where the markets are moving up and down. We had a pretty good week last week, and then we're down this week. I guess where I feel the good news is last week's volume was high on an upside, and lately it's been lower on the downside. So maybe that's an indication that a lot of the sellers have already sold, and we're just waiting for some news to come around. Interest rates are creeping lower, which I find interesting, which could be a good boost in the coming weeks if they can stay low and maybe inflation starts to come down as well. For the year now, the Dow is down about 14%. The Nasdaq's down almost 29%. The S&P is just off bear market, down just under 20%. The Russell small cap stocks are down 23% for the year, and European and Asian stocks, international if you will, are down about 20% for the year. 10-year bond sitting at about 3%, and the 30-year bond at 3.16, with mortgage rates now back down to about 5% on the 15-year and 5.83% on the 30-year. This is Ron Van Serksen with your AAM Weekly Market Wrap for the week ended July 1st, 2022.